Welcome yet to another BMW episode. So, time has passed, a few weeks or something. My brother did a lot of things. As you can see, this is our work that we did in the last episode. It's good. So, brother changed bushings on the stabilizer and other stuff, shocks and stuff. So, today I already fixed the rear seat belts, weren't kind of clicking in, cleaned that up. Now the main issue, the last thing that is left on the dashboard, the 4x4 ESP, ABS and all the good stuff. So I'm gonna try to pick it up as much as I can, and then try to get under there and get the little engine out, little motor out for that, and inspect it. So this is what I currently have. I think I have solid space for myself, because we need to get there behind exhaust or non-existing exhaust, and just behind the gearbox. So let's see. We finally got this puppy out. As you can see, you don't need any special jacks or anything. You can do it on your own. So the tools you will need is E7. I don't know if you can see or not. It's like this E7 star-shaped socket for this little there's a little wire going right there, so unscrew it and you're good to go. And then it's held on three screws, also with this star-shaped, and they are E10s. If we want to continue to disassemble it, for these two smaller screws you need to torque 20 T20 star, and on the bottom those big ones, those big ones is T30. Yeah, let's unscrew it and see what's inside. After we opened it, I see that the little axle thingy is all good, and also I have a metal this thing, not plastic one that usually breaks for people. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be that greasy or not. And here also everything looks fine. So basically computer shows that it can't move it. I can move this freely without any issues, and this one also, and this one also. So now I'm gonna try adding it to electricity and seeing if anything happens. So I gave it a little electricity. At first it started to spin, but then it was kind of weak. Then I shake it around a little bit and it stopped spinning. And conclusion for my case is I have those charcoal thingies inside the electric motor. I need to go and fix the electric motor and everything will work fine. For my 4x4 X-Drive, I mean. If you want to take it off and test if it works or not with electricity on your table, add plus minus to pins 1 and 8. So 1 and 8, they are numbered in there, so just check 1 and 8. Also, I will link the video down below, or here I guess, for the original where I found the information, just so I'm not hogging the information, because it wasn't my idea. I just followed instructions. But yeah, usual cases is this this part gets wears out. BMW did not anticipate of you to change it, but you can buy some aftermarket ones and just cut them off with a cutting wheel and then press on the new one. You can also find on YouTube how to do that. And the second part is the other part of the engine. There's this plastic thing in there that usually breaks. Yeah, we'll take the motor to repair. Hopefully they will be able to repair it and get back to you once that is done and we can test it. Well, we got it back. First time in Latvia something happens in timely manner, but they fixed it on Saturday. That's wow, 45 euros basically. Yeah, so let's test it with and without and then with the rest of the thing. If you want to test it, there's two pins. I will insert a diagram inside in this video so you can see what plug does what. But basically pin 1 is a plus and pin 8 is minus. So I prepared my wires and let's see. Yeah, now as you did see back there, with and without everything works. So let's go plug it in, and hopefully I don't need to connect it to computer to get rid of the errors, and it will work straight away because I don't have a computer and then I need to find it. And the car's roadworthiness or whatever it's called ends in 2 days basically, well 3, so need to think fast. So we're done. I put it on. Let's start the car. Nice, no errors, no more issues. Now I'm just gonna do a test drive, see if the issues come back or not, and then yeah, then we are done. I don't know what's this little exclamation mark, but other than that I think everything is fine. So we're driving and everything is fine. Nothing is showing up on the dash. Everything seems to be in order. No weird shakiness. So let's see. That's it for this episode. Now we're back, and yeah, so as you saw, there's lots of possible issues with the X-Drive for BMWs, and maybe you're lucky enough to land on this, the easiest fix of them all. Basically take the little motor to any starter generator repair shop and maybe tell them which pin is meant for what, so they can test it. Otherwise they won't be interested in fixing it, I think. But yeah, other than that, this is gonna conclude our episode. I'm not sure how many of these I will have with this car. Basically I already did most of the things that I wanted to try, and also I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or sell it. We'll see. And yeah, we'll next week try to get the roadworthiness or whatever it's called, the papers ready, so they will list some issues with it. I know that exhaust needs to be fixed. Hope they won't tell me to change the front headlights, but we'll see. I'll keep you posted. Thanks for stopping by. See ya.